This 5-minute solution will show you how to make TikTok liked videos private. So if you want to hide your liked video from public, you can do it in just a few steps. First of all, open your TikTok profile and tap on this 3-line icon at the top right. Settings and privacy. Privacy. Tap on liked videos. Who can watch your liked videos? To make your liked video private, all you have to do is just select here only me, and that's it. After doing this, no one will be able to see or view your liked video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.